Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have seen a common question across various platforms related to Power Automate with SharePoint. Let's say you are in a scenario where you have to create an HTML table. Okay, so you have an action create HTML table, but you want to put some link over there. Like you want to do something like, let's say a document title should be there, and when you click on it, it should actually open the document. Means you want to embed links. How you can do that? So it can be done in two stages. So the first one, that's at the bottom, you need to make a concatenation where you see that I have taken link and I have also taken this field document title and I have concatenated it. Now you can have a create HTML table. There you can have a thing like document or document name, whatever as column heading. There you can type this concat one. Now before you include that in your email that you are sending as an alert, you need to run this replace function. This is because it has been converted to string. Now it has to be converted back to HTML. Okay, so that in your email when you send it, it comes as like an HTML table with the links embedded in it along with the other properties that you have done. So you're going to use replace in 3 stages: create, then body. Create HTML table is the action. You see that LT, GT and quotation, all of them I have replaced, and it works like that. So this works pretty smoothly with me, and I hope it's going to work for you as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.